Hey YouTube, UKLockPicka back with another video. This week's video for Stock Lock Sunday is me picking this transparent trainer lock. It's a 6-pin padlock. That's the button with the key. And I just thought I'd share some information about the lock. So, the part where these little grooves are cut out, it's not always like that in every lock, but some of it is. In this particular case it is, but it doesn't matter. But basically you've got the chambers, which is here, otherwise called the Bible. The golden part or the brass part here is called the plug. Now in the plug you'll have key pins which interact with the button on the key, and once the key is fully inserted it pushes these driver pins, which are currently sitting half in the chambers and half in the plug, which is preventing the plug from being turned, hence not being able to open the lock without the key. So what we do is, when we put the key in, the different valleys of the key creates a straight line and brings the key pins flush with the plug, otherwise called the shear line, which means that it's pushing all of these driver pins back into the chambers, but also the key pins aren't coming past the plug into the chamber, allowing this plug to turn when the key's in or when it's being picked, and then the lock will open. So at the minute there's a straight line, the shear line, between the plug and the chambers, allowing this to spin freely, and then you do it on the lock. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pick it on camera now, so you can see what it's like when you're picking a lock. If I can just get comfortable, I think that might do. So all we do is we put the pick in, and we look for a binding pin. So 6 is loose, 5 is, 4 is, 3 is binding, he's just went above shear, 2 is loose, 1's binding hard. I'm going to increase the tension so you can hear it click. There you are, he's at shear. I'll come back to 2. He's at shear, 3's at shear, let's get under 4, I'm in a really awkward position, 4's binding, he's now at shear, 5 is, which means the last pin is 6, so when we push up on 6, the lock should open. There you are. So all the pins have been pushed up. The pins are all created a straight line in between the plug and the shear line. The driver pins are no longer protruding into the plug, allowing the cylinder or the plug to turn and the lock open. So I hope that's helped some people. I used an SS Dev for that, but you could have probably used any pick probably, because it's just a cheap lock, and I used a pry bar. So if you like this video and you think this has helped you in any way, shape or form, please like the video and leave your comments below, and if you're not already, please hit that subscribe button, because it greatly helps the growth of the channel, which helps me keep on making videos. So thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.